Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to set up automatic withdrawal on Vanguard. Open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Profile and Account Settings. On this page, you will see several options. Click on Automatic Withdrawal. Under Withdrawals, you will see two Add Automatic Transaction button. Click on either of the two. Now, select the account you would like to withdraw from. After that, select the account from which you would like to move or withdraw your money. Then select the frequency, and enter the beginning and end date. Lastly, enter the amount, then click on Continue. Now review the following details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Submit. That's how you set up automatic withdrawal on Vanguard. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.